It's an interesting market. The technology is moving quickly. It's a really interesting place to work, and we've got a great team. So the combination of those factors tick the box for me.
I think it's when you have your eyes open to how important Satcoms is from a global perspective. It is really awe-inspiring when you realise just how many products and services people are using day in, day out that, we have an impact with.
Every niche sector of engineering particularly comes with its own language, and I think I don't care who you are. If you tell me you can drop in on day one and pick that up like that, you're telling me a lie. So yeah, I think that's a challenge for anyone joining the company, but I think you're never alone in that because everybody has to go through that adjustment period unless they are coming from a very small pool of people who have prior experience.
Our talent is exceptional. It's the bedrock really of what makes our business special and unique. It's a real strong opportunity for people that want to come into an ambitious, innovative tech business and see where they can go. Some of our amazing talent are doing roles now that they probably never conceived they would be doing. And that's the joy of working in a growth organisation.
It's not like on a platform like some big companies, like you look at Tesla and like Amazon and places like that, where you're thinking, whoa, they're on like a corporate huge scale, everyone knows their name. ETL is quietly really famous in its own world. It just started off as a graduate opportunity, a way in for me of just into an industry, and it opened up a whole world of opportunities for me. It's nice to hear sometimes from a sales point of view when they show us photos or they tell us what's happened to the product. It's nice to know, oh, it's ended up, somewhere across the world doing some really cool thing, or it's on a yacht, or it's on an airplane.
All people here are very friendly. Myself, when I'm going through some issues or problems, I try to either divide the job in between people to reduce the stress in the team. So definitely I will recommend ETL as a place to work, and I think it's start from people, procedure, culture, the relationship in between the managers and then people who is direct under them is all very friendly. I didn't see anyone who's been rude to anyone.
We were awarded Great Places to Work accreditation, which for me is a real positive indicator of what we're doing. We're doing the right things across the organisation. It's a nice environment to work within, and we've got fantastic facilities here as well. So.